Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I do apologise for being a couple of minutes late. There's been a lot going on today, arranging our Meet the CEO event, which is coming up shortly, plus other things, getting other videos out for you and so on and so forth. So I apologise for being 2.5 minutes late there, but never mind. We're off and running now. We do have an earnings coming up tonight. I've got several videos that you may have missed. As you can see, we're having another green day, very slightly, not much. Coca-Cola is slowly drifting down more and more and more. I just hope this continues and doesn't pop up again until January the 1st. Of course, I have considered buying it on my brokerage account, but remember, I don't sell there. I don't want to sell there. I want to own forever. And if I buy Coca-Cola on margin, it's not really worth it, to be honest. Paying, I want to use margin to buy the S&P, not to buy Coca-Cola. That doesn't make too much sense, really. Anyway, so there it is. Anyway, did I jinx Sim today by announcing my position to the world? I was just trying to give full disclosure. Sim is November the 18th. Sim, the video is about to be published. Let me check. Let me just check on that. Let me have a quick look. Symbotic, yes, it's the next video to go out. So that will be going out later on today. It's not out just yet. I've just released some other videos, which I'll tell you about right now, actually. You may have missed. You might want to go and check these out. So let's go and have a look at what you may have missed this afternoon. So let me refresh the screen and take you over here. Got some updates on our poll as well, which is really, really exciting, as the video hasn't even gone out yet. So it's quite exciting. Let me share with you on the homepage. Go to videos. All right, I've just posted just literally 26 minutes ago XRP news. Check that out. XRP news analysis for Rocket Lab. My full analysis after the earnings for Rocket Lab. Don't peanut today explodes. Don't be greedy. Peanut explodes today, and an inflation scare as well. These are on the home page of the channel. ICAD, we're doing ICAD earnings tonight. That's coming up tonight. So there you go. Now then, I want to share this with you. The best way to share this with you will probably be over here on this screen here. I want to share this. You know, I told you about how powerful these polls are, how useful these polls are. Well, look at this. So this gives you an idea how they're getting ranked on Google. In our community tab at the top of the channel, so you go to the home, go across the top, come across to the community tab, you see this here. NVIDIA, 101 votes now, and I haven't put the video out telling anybody about it. It just shows you how powerful this is. 101 votes. Let me refresh the screen. I doubt if it's changed in the last few minutes as I prepared this, but you never know. Yeah, look at that. 107 votes is very, very effective. And you think, the investors think, a beat of 83%, a beat of 83%. And what's great is you're up-liking it as well and leaving comments, which means if you click the share button and you like and comment, this gets onto Google and is a very, very useful tool. I'm thinking of selling it to TradingView and people like that. But anyway, undecided, not sure, miss, beat, 107 votes. 83% think NVIDIA is going to beat. So we look forward to that event. It should be 40,000. Now, you know, I said to you, we should get 3,000 to 4,000 people for SoundHound. Now, obviously, you can't see that during the live show because people come and go. And I like to just always qualify what I say because, you know, I don't have any doubt, you know, about exaggeration or anything like that. So I want to share with you what you may have not seen. Thank you very much indeed for another 40 subscribers today. That's absolutely amazing. But I want to share with you the SoundHound event. So if I go into, where shall I go? Into content. It was live yesterday. Here we go. It was live. It was the SoundHound event. There it is. There is the SoundHound event. Okay, SoundHound event. That was the live video, just the live video. We had 6,700, so it doubled the time before. A lot of attention coming to SoundHound right now. This is a stock that I'm interested in for the future, like an Nvidia stock of the future. SoundHound, 6,735. A lot of people paying attention to that, so just keep your eye on it as well. Might not be a bad idea, particularly as it's down at the moment. Anyway, just a little tip there. Right, let's go back to the main account. Are we green or red? No, we're still green today. Let's read your comments. Let's see what we've got. Hi, everyone. Hi, Robin Burrows. Hi, your video will be out in a minute. After the show, after the earnings. I might be able to put it out during the earnings. Anyway, I'll be busy. I can do that at the same time. Anyway, hey there, says Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen, not very well today. You've been taking lots of COVID shots and flu shots. Doesn't make you feel good, does it? You get little reactions from that. I understand that. So, Stephen, I saw it earlier in the extra channel. So, you know what we're going to say? How many people have we got in now? Let's have a little look. It's a bit quiet at the moment. Let me have a quick look. There's 5 of you on the extra channel. We've got... not a big audience this afternoon. I've given it a generic name this afternoon, nothing special. And we're having a quiet one before the earnings. I wasn't trying to promote this afternoon show, to be honest. We've done a bit too much over the last few days, so letting the channel cool down a bit. We've had some record numbers. So we got 24. We got our members though, right? We got the most important people here. So let's do this. Get well. I want everyone to spam the channel. Here we go. Get well, Stephen. One of our members, our longest standing members, isn't very well today. So let's drop Get well, Stephen in. Okay, everyone. Copy and paste. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. There you go. Get well, Stephen. Everyone copy and paste. I'm serious. I'm not joking. Let's do it. Make him smile. Make him feel better. What did he say earlier? I know he was talking to me in the extra channel. China has begun rigorous testing of its communication systems under simulated apocalyptic scenarios. This precautionary measure is in response to potential global crises at a time marked by escalating nuclear tensions. Flipping heck. Get well, Stephen. Thank you for that, Mike. Feel better now. Get well soon, Stephen. Drink plenty of tea. I love it. I love it. Sound just crashed big time today, sadly. I don't think the earnings was all that bad, to be honest. It wasn't. I agree with you. Oh, my God, this time oh, my God, is that time again? Live on YouTube. It's the amazing Rocket Martyn Lucas. How's it going, Tesla Jam Man? Had my first day at my job today. A bit worrying because of the minimum wage going up. A bit worried because of the minimum wage. Why? You're going to earn more money. What are you worrying about? Are you worrying about they might get rid of you because it's costing too much money? Well, you've got to make sure you provide value then, my friend. That's the key to that. Make yourself be valuable. That's what you got to do. It's all about providing value. I'm sure you do. Just by turning up and being yourself, mate. What do you reckon? Anyway, what do you reckon? I'm sure you do that, right? Okay, let's have a look. Sound has crashed big time today, sadly. Let's have a look at SoundHound. Let's have a look at SoundHound today. SoundHound. SoundHound. Let's have a look. Down. What's that? 18%. That's an overreaction. If I've ever seen one. Okay. SoundHound analysis. Did I do my analysis? Didn't I? I did the analysis yesterday, didn't I? Saying it was expensive, not a business. It's a product. Did I do that? I'm just sure. Did I put that out? Yes, I did. I did put that out. Okay. But what I want to do, I want to follow that up because that's an overreaction. Okay. So let me have a look. SoundHound. S-O-U-N. Sound. The time is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Okay, let's take it over here. Let's take it to the bank. Right. Okay. Okay. SoundHound, ticker symbol SOUN. Sadly, exactly like my analysis predicted. Great product, innovation, not great business yet. However, I've chosen to use gold lights, not red. Not red today in the studio, but gold. Golden opportunity. You know what I said before, that I like SoundHound. I can see it being something to accompany NVIDIA. This is an opportunity to buy. I feel today is an overreaction for SoundHound. Way, way too much. Sadly, that's what this stock does. The good news, however, is that more and more people are learning about SoundHound. Now, this is important. You might say, well, that's only about your numbers, but it really actually is way more than that. And I want to share it with you and show you what a lot of people don't show you. I'm going to show you this. This is important for the stock because this is how it works, right? This is the YouTube studio behind the scenes of my channel. And I rank #1 for this stock, so I know what I'm talking about, right? This is the SoundHound earnings. I said to people, we had 3,000 people last time. 3 months ago, we had 3,000, and I was expecting a 4,000 last night. And what did we get? We got 6,735 plus 3,000 for the build-up, and we've had a similar number for the analysis afterwards. Well, why am I showing you that? Not for any other reason. I mean, it's not going to make me more than about 15 bucks in ad revenue. It's not about me getting money out of it. Trust me, my time's worth more than 15 bucks. However, what this tells you is a lot more people are paying attention to SoundHound. So in my opinion, as I did express ahead of the earnings, I gave you the analysis, which you might want to go and check out. I said, great innovative product, but not yet a great business. But people have taken that and it's oversold. Oversold now. Now there's an opportunity. So let me share with you what I just put out. You may have missed it. This is the analysis just gone out 19 hours ago, 1,600 views. That's an inaccurate number because on YouTube it's always behind what it is in the studio. Anyway, 1,600 views so far on the analysis. I strongly suggest you listen to all the way through that and you'll see what I'm talking about the business, the debt position and so on. It's a great product. And I believe it'll be something really great in the future. However, we've got to look at being investors in businesses, not in products. And right now, it's not serving us well. However, I feel this is an opportunity. That's why I chose gold for the studio, not red in this case. So I just wanted to give a follow-up reaction to this. SoundHound, in my opinion, does not justify a 18% reduction. It really doesn't. If we look at the earnings is constantly improving. Constantly improving. It smashed the earnings. It did a great job. 0.7 expected and it was 0.4. Doesn't justify this. More importantly, the earnings is ever increasing. We're getting close now to being a cash positive business. That's when more money will flood into the stock. So anyway, I just wanted to give an update on that. Please tap the like button and that'll be great. I've got something here as well, just come in from Sensei. Hold on a minute. This will be interesting. Sensei says Sunday show will be very important this Sunday. It will be my full crypto strategy and what would I do if I was entering the crypto market late? Please bookmark this event. He's absolutely right. I absolutely agree with him. I did a Bitcoin analysis video live this morning. It's about to come out, explaining really people are sat on the edge of a cliff, life-changing money. Anyway, the reason for mentioning this is Sensei will do the chart for you specifically. If you ask him, you got to turn up and ask him for SoundHound. He will show you the buy zones, the sell zone, the support levels. You bookmark that, Sensei, that I've said that. So there you go. He'll respond in a minute going, okay, I bookmark that. Anyway, so join Sensei on Sunday to try to find the buy zone, sell zone, support levels for that. I'm going to show you Sensei's show. It's on the homepage of the channel. That's here. Go on the homepage of the channel, and we like to schedule our shows out. So there is Sensei's show on Sunday, 3 p.m. Obviously, he's going to talk about Bitcoin, crypto, and I've got a big reaction to that. I'd love to know. Sensei, look out for my video when it comes out in a few hours' time. I've got 2 videos about Bitcoin and XRP. XRP just came out, but Bitcoin, check that out. I'd love to know what you think about that. I've got some very strong feelings that people could really be in some serious bother if they don't know what they're doing at the moment. You buy a coin for $10, 6-7 years ago. You got 100 grand now, and you think it's going to go to a billion, gazillion, trillion, and you lose 100 grand. Woof. We need to talk about it. SoundHound, there it is. Join Sensei on Sunday. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Go and check out the SoundHound analysis. Join Sensei on Sunday. I'll put all the links below as well, so you can see all of that. Over here, I shall put the what shall I put? The SoundHound analysis. I'll put the SoundHound analysis, and I'm going to put Sensei's show down there on Sunday, because you can get the trading technical information that you desperately need. I think it's a opportunity right now. So it's golden opportunity for you. It's a red market today, but as always, it's a green market for me, because if I show you, I'm green again. I'm always bloody green. What do you know? Started at 5 grand. I'm now at 131. 554. Always making money here on the show. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Thanks for the video earlier. Are you referring to XRP? Wait till you see the Bitcoin video. You won't like that. He's saying thank you now. You wait till he sees the XRP. Wait till he sees the Bitcoin video. He won't like that. Our crypto expert won't like that. He'll go, ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't care that no one's going to like it. And I made it earlier, knowing that people won't like it. It won't get views. It doesn't matter. It's the right thing to do. The videos that are getting millions of views today, I checked in on all my favorite crypto channels today. They're all saying, buy it. Seriously? Buy it at 100 grand. It's just about there now. And it's going to keep going and going, and maybe it will. But what bad advice that is. What bad advice that is that. You should have bought it, as we all did, at 15 grand.
Lawrence Teo donated 14 Singapore dollars and 98 cents through a super chat. Good day, family.
Thank you, Lawrence Teo. I have to say, big shout out to Lawrence, actually. Lawrence pops into our show. He's from Singapore, and he's like a little stealth character. He's in the background, but whenever he comes in, he must be rich. Singaporeans must be rich. Whenever he comes in, boom, he comes in by saying hello with the super chat every day. It's like he's like the king of Singapore. Cannot say I appreciate that enough. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much indeed. And I really appreciate that. The super chats I'm getting at the moment aren't going into my pocket at all. They're going into some more subscriptions to provide more content and information that I can bring into the show. I got more and more subscriptions that I'm paying for. So thank you, Lawrence, for that. Much appreciated. And he always comes in with a super chat. So there you go. Want to thank you for that. Right. Did we get a lot of spamming? I wasn't paying attention. Yes, we did. Get well, Stephen. I missed it. Right. We've got the earnings coming up soon. Let me read some more comments. Get well, Stephen. God bless. There we go. All there. There we go. 3 shots. Thanks. Oh, yeah. Get well, Steve. Love you, mate. There you go. Get well, Stephen. Get well, Stephen. Just waiting. Just starting what I read. Sorry. Just stating what I read. Sorry. No, not at all. Don't apologize. We want the information. Get well, Stephen. God bless. Get well, Stephen. Missed the news, but get well, brother. He's had lots of shots done today, sort of COVID and flu. When you have them all together, it makes you feel pretty rubbish. Anyway, crypto is the future. Crypto is the future. He's just winding Mike up. Good afternoon, MSK. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. There it is. I think you all agree. By the silence, I know you agree. I can do a better get to the chopper than MSK. I think you all agree. You want to hear it? Get to the chopper. There you go. And I can even add special effects. Ready? Okay. Let's add the echo. Get to the chopper. Come on, tell the truth. It's better, isn't it? It's better. When MSK does it, you go, get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. No one even knows what he's saying. When I say it, get to the chopper. It's much better, isn't it? I think it is. I think you all agree. I know you're not saying it. You don't need to. You're blown away. I understand that. I understand you're blown away by it. It's okay. It's okay to be in awe of my impression. I understand, it's a big thing. I understand that. Oh, dear. Seriously tempted to sell Tilray? Yeah. I'm not even. Oh, dear God. Hey. What about it? What about it, Mike? How'd you feel today? Mike, tell me, since you sold Tilray, have you been up? I know the answer, because you're in S&P 500. I know you're up. I don't need to answer. I don't need to ask. That's just me rubbing it into MSK. Just me rubbing it in. Anyway, MSK's all excited about this divergence into diversifying into breweries. I don't believe that's a good strategy. I said it from the beginning. DraftKings, there's lots of great breweries you can buy who are really good breweries and have some real history there. Anyway, I'm just saying. Are you doing earnings tomorrow? Sidhu Space. Pepic. I can do, but no one has requested it. Tonight, this is how it works. If you are a member of the channel, and you can become a member for a couple of bucks. That's all it is. It differentiates between scammers and bots. Become a member and then do where is it? There you go. Become a member and a minimum $5 super chat. I will cover the earnings, do analysis the following morning, make a promo video. It will rank on YouTube. More people will learn about it. It's a win-win-win for you. But you have to be a member and do a minimum $5 super chat. We can do 4 earnings a day. Sensei used to do them. He got lazy. So I thought, well, what do I do? Do I not do them? Because Sensei's being lazy. He got married, basically. He got married. So then I said, all right then, okay, I'll just do 4 a day myself then. People went, you can't do 4 a day. I've been doing 4 a day now for the last year. Ever since Sensei got married. I'm just saying, right? So tonight we've got ICAD after hours. Tomorrow after hours we have ASTS, and on the 18th we have Symbonic after hours. These are all been booked by you, the members. So tomorrow being Thursday, you've got a couple of choices. It's first come, first serve. Thursday, tomorrow morning, you have Disney. If anybody wants Disney, you can have it. $5 super chat and a membership. Whoops-a-daisy. What's the other one I got requested for? Sidhu Space, yep. These are just the highlighted ones. There's more. JD.com, you can have that. Intuitive Machines, Lunar, LUNR, you can have that if you want it. Tomorrow morning, we can have 2 of these tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening, Applied Materials. We've got AST Space Mobile, that's already been requested, and Oklo. And on Friday, you got Baba. Plus, of course, it's just mentioned about Sidhu, Cider Space. So there's a few extra ones there. At the moment, we've only got booked in iCAD, and tomorrow evening, ASTS and Symbiotic, whatever it is. Anyway, it'll all come out in the wash. So if you want that, time's running out. Mike, I will. Are you doing earnings tomorrow? I've just answered that. Not at the moment. You can choose that. You can put me to work if you want to. MSK Sensei, the hell with all the shots. Don't take any more. I don't. He doesn't believe in it. He doesn't believe in it. Mike don't. Mike don't believe in it. I have to say I believe in it. And I'll tell you why I believe in it. Because I don't know the answer. Because I'm not a scientist or a doctor. This is how I think about it. All right? This is how I think about it. When I go and my car's broken, I go to the mechanic. Mechanics had training in fixing cars. He probably knows more about cars than me. Just saying. So if the mechanic says, and he's a mechanic I can trust, and he says, yeah, your carburetor's full of oil, I need to fix it, I'll go, all right then, because what do I know? Nothing. If the doctor, who's learned to be a doctor, says, I suggest you have a flu shot, our doctor says he wouldn't bother at the moment. Okay, that's what he says. It's up to you, he said. But he tells us the truth. If he says it's a good idea, right, I'll do it. If he says it's good to take a vaccine, I'll do it. He's even told me at the moment he doesn't believe in the COVID boosters. That's our doctor, so whatever. He said, but if you want to do it, it's not going to hurt. It might do you some good, but I don't believe in it at the moment. That's the information I go on. Don't listen to Mike. Don't go on. If I want medical advice, Mike isn't the man I turn to, right? And I certainly don't just do what I think's right, because what do I know? Why would I not? Why would I not do it? Because I don't think so. What the bloody hell do I know? What do I know about whether a vaccine works? That's the way I look at it. And I think too many people watch YouTube, think they know everything, and then go, I ain't doing it. I know it's not good. I heard it on YouTube that if I take a vaccine, my ears will turn blue and my head will turn around. I've heard it on YouTube. This guy told, I wouldn't listen to that. I wouldn't use that as medical advice. I'm asking my doctor. I'm just saying, but I'm old-fashioned like that. No one sound like a weak dwarf villain. No, you sound like a weak dwarf villain. Maybe I was trying to sound like a weak dwarf villain. Get to the chopper. A weak dwarf villain? I like Martin. See? James is with me. James, me and you, best mates, tea drinking friends. That's what we are. Darth Star 1. Good morning to you. Afternoon. Hey, Martin, wanting to thank you as you're doing a report on Cooler. And after watching your video, started researching it and liked it more and more. Bought it, and now it's booming. God bless you, man. Marcus Kloster. Fantastic. He used one of my analyses, and now he's making money. I'm loving it. There you go. But remember, it's nothing to do with me. You made the decision to buy it. You bought it. Nothing to do with me. I'm down and loving it because I'm buying more in my position. Love it. Hey. My port is down 0.52 on VU, but up on... Have you got an up... I've just worked it out. You know what's going on? Mike, this entire time, has had his phone upside down. How the bloody hell can your VU be down when I've been up on VU alone the last 2 days? How is that possible? You bought VU 2 days ago. I've been up both days, but yet you're down. Mike, turn your phone around. I bet he's been making he's going to go, oh my God, I'm a millionaire. I thought I was bankrupt. My phone's been upside down the entire time. I can't believe it. I'm buying crypto. I thought I'd lost all my money in crypto. My bloody phone was upside down. It was probably his phone was the right way round, but his head was screwed on wrong. You've heard the phrase? Your head was screwed on. His head's screwed on wrong. His head's up. How can you possibly be down when I'm up? That doesn't make sense. my portfolio is down 0.42 on VU, but I'm up on Matt. I don't get it. Poor old Mike. He don't know where he's going. No, I watch you. I watch you make the video. Don't worry. I know what you said. Oh. No, I watched you make the video. Don't worry. I know what you said. Still promoted the show, and I agreed with most of what you said. See? That's a crypto expert. Agrees with me, Mr. I ain't buying crypto at 100,000. Think it's bloody stupid. He agrees with me. But he liked to sort of say, don't worry, I know what you said. But he's happy because I still promoted him. It doesn't matter. He wins anyway. Hello, MSK. Fight Channel. It's because you have more money to dollar cost average. I haven't bought the last 2 days. What are you talking about? Mike, turn your phone round. Mike, we're trying to save you. We're trying to save you from yourself. Turn your phone round. Mike, I haven't bought VU the last 2 days. How could you possibly be down when I'm up? That don't make... What did you do? Did you buy VU at the wrong price? I know what he did. Mike bought... I know what he did. This is what Mike did. Mike went, I'm doing it. Okay, I'm out of Tilray. So I'm buying VU like Martyn. He always seems to make money. Look, he's up again today. Right, buying VU. I bet he did market buy. He paid the market price. He didn't do the limit order. Mike, tell me, did you do the limit order? I bet he didn't. I disagree what Martyn said about Bitcoin, Sensei Crypto clips. I disagree. Don't try and suck up to him. You agreed with me this morning. You came on my show. Witnesses saw it. It's in there forever now. Stacey Bailey, my top has been shipped. Whoop, whoop. Lovely. I'm Martyn and Sensei. Hope you're doing well. We're doing great. Sensei's annoying me, though. It's winding me up. Bitcoin is rubbish. Vaccinations always make me sick afterwards. Well, you know why? They give you a little bit of the badness so your body can get used to it. That's the point, Mike. Trying to help Mike is... It's getting harder to help Mike, if I'm honest. It's getting harder. Mike, you got to get a little bit of the bad so your body gets used to it so you don't get the real bad. That's why it... Shots are protection from illness. Yeah, Mike, listen to us. We know what we're talking about. Martyn Lucas, your doctor is a legend. He is. This is what you get in America. You pay top dollar. You get top dollar. He doesn't need to sell me drugs because I'm paying him good money. Martyn, I'm not going to tell you to take all these drugs, which I get a kickback on. I'm telling you the truth because you already pay me a lot of money. See, in the National Health, you don't get that. It's normal to feel sick after vaccinations. The shingles vac made me sick for a few days. Get over it. I cake. I've no idea what that means. Someone's eating cake. I am sure shingles would be worse. Exactly. Mike, deal with it. Mike, where have you got your information from? Be careful. We know where he's got it from. He's got it from some YouTube channel giving him all that. Right? Rubbish. It is rubbish. Shingle sucks. There you go. From my own body, Sensei. From my own body. Hello, body. Yeah? Well, left arm. Can you tell me? Should I? Because you're the arm that gets the needle. Yeah, I know. It really hurts. I don't like when you stick a needle in me. Well, left arm, tell me, should I get this drug? No. Don't do it. Why not, left arm? Well, because every time you do it, it hurts me. Okay? And I get a bump and a bruise. I don't like it. Yeah, but left arm, if I put a needle in you, right, the whole of the body, don't be selfish, the whole of the body is good and better. I don't care. I don't care.
Sensei Crypto Clips has become a member. Martyn, can you have a look at the Ark Invest fund? I will send link. Live and give me some quick thought of its holding. I love it for its price ATM.
Do you? Can you look at the Ark Invest fund? Which one? There's lots. I will send link. Okay, send the link then. Send the link then, and then I'll think about it, right? Send the whole information. Don't get me to commit to something before I've got the full information. That's where you went wrong the other day. My name's MSK. Sensei, live on your show. Can you check the Hood earnings for me and do analysis on it? Sensei, he just trusts everybody. He went, okay then, brilliant. There's a whole 20-minute chart on Robinhood, and I'm in the chat going, Sensei, the earnings was last week. You need to check this before you go ahead and commit. Off he goes, yap, doing all the chart. Unbelievable. At the end, he went, oh, yeah, I see Martyn. Yes, that's why when you send a comment and you go, I'll send the link, I'll wait until the link comes in. I will verify the link is good, and then I'll commit whether I'm going to show it or not. You see how we do things differently here? That's why it's my show and you're a guest. Otherwise, God help us, I don't know where we'd be going. I called my doctor. She said, you're still alive. Shingles would be 50 times worse than feeling. Now you can tell Sensei's into crypto. It's always 50 times. It's never like a little bit worse. Crypto experts don't say that. They say things like 50 times worse. 50 times. How can it be 50? How can you even quantify 50 times? Imagine I've got a headache and my headache is 50 times worse. Imagine, this head really hurts. If it's twice as much, bloody hell, my head is coming off. Imagine 300%, bloody hell, there's cracks coming down the side of my skull because the pain 3 times, that's a 3x. Sensei's going 50 times worse. 50 times worse? That isn't even a human reaction. You can't be 50 times worse. If you were 50 times worse, you'd blow up. You'd be a bit of mush on the floor. Having said that, that may be where Mike is now. That may explain where we are. Maybe Mike is 50 times worse. I don't know. Thank you, Sensei. How are you, MSK? 550.03 I bought. 550. Let me look at VU. 550. You bought it at 550. $550. Well, why did you do that? Why did you do that, Mike? Why did you buy it at 550? You bought it yesterday. You could have bought it. You could have bought yesterday. You could have bought it here. Why didn't you set the limit order? 547, you could have bought it. There's no helping some people, all right? Still holding Shiba and XRP. Who's he talking to? LOL. I am right, bro, and you. Sensei, yes, I am. Yeah, good. This is what we were waiting for, is it? I wasn't waiting for this. Rubbish crypto. Crypto clips. Yes. Patience. Good God, he's right. Patience. Yes. Laughing. Read the comments correctly, Martyn Lucas Investor. I'll read them any way I like. If I want to read them and manipulate them, I will. It's my show. You read the comments right. Make it so I can't manipulate your comments, right? You're just giving it to me, right? No, they don't. With the damn vaccines, Kenview, dividends today, Matador, dividend Friday. Lovely. The only medicine I recommend is a tea. Let's bring it back to common sense. Sensei Crypto Clip says, Celebrate 30 months of membership. Martyn, I looked at that. I'm waiting for the link. Got no link. Not interested. Right? Blah, 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 blah. Or do a 3-day water fast and it's more effective than any vaccines and meds. What do you mean? Doctor. Yeah. What do you want? I'm really ill. Yep. You probably got a really bad illness. Yeah. What do you suggest I do? Do you suggest I put medicine to action, antibodies and anti things and stuff like that, and stuff like that, and good viruses and stuff like that to get to work? No, I don't recommend any of that. Just drink some water out the tap. That'll fix it every time. That's where we're going wrong. Cold plunges, and when you've done with that, jump in a bucket of ice. That fixes everything. I love it. What sort of audience have I got here? Oh, my God. All illnesses can be cured with a glass of water. I've always said that. Early night, drink your water, go for a walk. I've actually said that. 95% of stuff, but not illnesses. I'm not saying illnesses. I'm not saying you got a virus, you're going to fix it if you have a glass of water and jump in a bucket of water. That ain't going to, I don't think that's going to work. Thanks, Stephen. I sold on my Matador. Thanks, Stacey. Oh, here's the link. Here's the link. Where's the link? Sensei Crypto Clips. Why am I not seeing the link in the chat? Oh, there it is. Bloody hell. Right. Okay. You are entering artfunds.com. Which one? You've not sent me the link, Sensei. You've sent me the link to the whole website. Have you looked at this before you sent it? Did you look at it? What's it he wants to know? My God, why can't you bloody look? Sensei celebrates 30 months of membership. Great. Good for you. Martyn, can you have a look at the Ark Invest fund? I will send a link live and give me some quick thoughts of its holding. I love for its price at the moment. So you want me to tell you what's in it? Okay. What, live on the show? Live on the show. You want me to go into this for you? All right. You know, might as well. Nothing else to do, I suppose. Right. Let's have a look. This is the Ark Invest ETF. Let's start with, we're not doing a full analysis. He ain't going to get that lucky. I'm too expensive. Right. Let's have a look. Let's start at the top. Right. Net assets. Okay. Not interested in that. Primary expense ratio point. Right. Expense ratio 0.75. Straight off the bat, extremely expensive because you're paying Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood is about Cathie Wood. She wants you to pay her lots of money. She makes money. That's all she cares about. Don't like that. Too expensive. You can buy the S&P for 0.03. That is too expensive. Just saying. Let's have a look what's in it. If it's stock that doesn't move, you buy it yourself and save the money. You I'm not interested in that. But it depends how it's managed. Let's have a little look. Let's scroll down. So it's very expensive. I don't like that. Cathie Wood. I'm not here for Cathie Wood's pension fund. Let me have a look. Let me scroll down. Okay. Let me have a look. Ark doesn't perform very well until it does, right? Well, what's in the fund? Tesla. Tesla is 14% of the fund. Okay. Coinbase. Okay. Roku, Roblox, Palantir, Robinhood, CRISPR, Shopify, Block, UiPath. Some dodgy ones there. Is that it? Is that all that's in there? That's it? That's it for 0.75? I'm paying 0.75 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stocks. That's not value for money, is it? That's not value for money. I can do that myself. Right. I like Tesla. I like Tesla, but would I buy this fund so I'm buying the price today? No. Tesla's too expensive. Coinbase, great. Should have bought it earlier. Is it the time to buy it now? No. It's got to sell off before we buy it. Roku, not interested in Roku. Very dodgy. Don't like that. Roblox, not interested in that. Palantir, great. Buy the S&P or buy it individually. I wouldn't buy it now, though. It's too expensive. This is what Cathie Wood does. She loves the rock and roll stuff that trends on Robinhood. She loves the stuff that trends on Reddit. She loves where all the idiots are running around going, buy it, it's really cool. No, it makes her money because she gets people that are like on a frenzy. These are all frenzy stocks. So I tell you what I do. I wouldn't buy that. Because I wouldn't trust Cathie Wood as far as I can throw her, that the expense ratio is way too expensive. What I would do, however, is if I like these stocks, which I do, I would buy Tesla, as I did, and I sold it around the 110, 150, wouldn't pay it where it is, so I'd buy Tesla. Coinbase, if I'm buying Bitcoin, I'd buy Coinbase as a preference, because I can buy it on an IRA, and I can buy it tax-free, like all the other stocks here. That's how I'd own Bitcoin, through Coinbase. It's a business that what's the word I'm looking for? Regulated by the SEC, whereas Bitcoin's not. I prefer that. I like that. I think the management are good. Coinbase is good. If Bitcoin does well, Coinbase as a business will do well. But of course, if Bitcoin goes down, so does Coinbase. I'd be buying this when it goes down. Roku, not interested. I don't think that's a good business model at all. Roblox, not that bothered about it. Palantir, yes, great. Wait till it comes down. Robinhood, great. I bought it at 8. Cathie Wood doesn't really like it. She's dumped it at 20 several times. So she talks a lot of rubbish. So Robinhood is a great business to hold. You shouldn't be trading Robinhood. You should be owning Robinhood. And we bought it at 8 and 7. Do you remember? So for me, I wouldn't buy the Ark Invest ETF. No. Too expensive. Too much money goes into to Cathie Wood. When Cathie Wood decides to dump it all, the bloody thing goes down. I wouldn't do it. I'd buy Tesla, Coinbase, Palantir, Robinhood. I'd buy all those stocks. They're the ones we're really interested in. And why'd you buy an ETF for 4 stocks? That's ridiculous. You're managing 4 stocks. You're giving someone that's like paying someone to wash your windows. Wash them yourself. Do a better job and it's free. So buy those 4 stocks. Buy them at the right time. That way you can control them and you don't have to worry about what bloody Cathie Wood's buggering around with. So anyway, that's my thought. Is that fair? Do you agree? Do you not agree? What do you think? Right. There you go. How long have we got? 10 minutes before the bell goes. Or do a 3-day water fast and it's more effective than vaccines and meds. Whoops, daisy. Where's me? Oh, hey, hang on. Hang on. I've got something going on here. I hope I'm still streaming. I got a little bit of an issue. Oh, there we go. That's better. There we go. Stacey, oh my God, you are a big sis officially. I do water fast to cure my body too. I agree drinking water is a good idea, but I'm not so sure it can fix everything. Good evening. Thank you, Stephen. They are better every time you do one. I'm growing quite fond of them. What's this? Doing water flushes or whatever. My longest was 15 days, water fast. When you say water fast, what do you mean? Just drink water? I'm unclear. We'll do a 3. It's more effective than any. What's a water fast? Just drinking water for 3 days? Is that what you mean? Crypto has corrupted the way my brain works at numbers. I knew it. Good God, I give up. Mike, do you want to phone in? Put me straight. Mike, phone in. Phone in. Mike, I never mentioned anything about crypto 100 times. Yes, you did. That better than fiat country. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Sensei Crypto, don't you come on here and tell us. Oh, we know what you said. He's gone mad. He's got SMCI delisted. SMCI delisted. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's have a look. SMCI. Hang on a minute. I've got to verify that first. I'm not doing a Sensei Crypto. It's not delisted. Why are you saying these things? Why are you saying these things? It's not delisted. It's right on. See what I mean? See what I mean? People come on here and say all sorts of stuff. Zara Khan, SMCI, delisted. No, it's not. I'm looking right at it. It's not delisted at all. That's a load of rubbish. Yes, Bitcoin's better store of value than fiat, says Sensei. Fiat currency is worth nothing. Well, I wouldn't say it's worth nothing. All the doctor wants is more kickbacks from drugs. They don't fix the cause of the problem. Fiat countries, fiat currency, my balls. Oh, hello. We're getting all very passionate now. Like you said, Martyn, do your research. Well, you could just tell me what you mean. Bit rude, innit? Bit rude, innit? Bit rude. Do a 3 days, whatever it was, water thing. And I went, what exactly is it? Do your own research. I mean, really? That's the way you speak to your friends now, is it? 95% of illnesses can be cured by a glass of water and a walk. Now who sounds mad? Walking and water is it? Walking and water, is it? You mean it is? I think that's what you mean. Also a sense of humour. Damn it. Damn it to heaven. Good God, I've lost it. You have lost it. You lost it ages ago. Bitcoin's a proof of concept. Sick and tired of hearing that. How much longer is it going to be a proof of concept? Imagine if Tesla came out with a car and said, we're going to build an electric car in the future. It's a concept car, right? You can't buy it. It's concept, right? But it's going to be great. Buy it. I mean, how long can you get away with calling it a concept? It's a bit too late for that, isn't it? Bitcoin's been going a long time. No, there is more. There is more. There is more. There is more what? Do you like Spotify? I'm undecided. You can click full holding just above the table if you want. I've just looked at it. All right. My headache is 100 times worse now. Winding mic up. Priceless. Tom Lee's ETF is promising. That's interesting. I have a terrible temper. I have a terrible temper, just like you. Yes, of course. We are brothers. LOL. Good God. Good God indeed. Thank you. Yes, drinking water for 15 days. Yes, with sea salt every other day. Ooh. I'll have a packet of Doritos, loads of salt in that, right? Drinking tea for 15 days. What about only drinking tea for 15 days? There you go. Get back sensible. Get back sensible, will you? Get back sensible. Right, okay. Let's get ready for iCAD. We ain't got time for this nonsense. Debacleness. We're about to do iCAD. Are we ready? Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. When does it start? In a minute. In a minute. iCAD. iCAD. Right. We're ready. We're in the zone. We're gone red. That's because of Mike. Wishing it all going down the toilet. Bad energy, see? People are weird. SMI delisted at $20 plus. Okay, I'm back sensible. Good. I'm glad we brought you back to a level again. Right, enough of this craziness. It's time to get real. No team may kick you out of ketosis. Oh, iCAD is rubbish. Well, that's nice, isn't it? I mean, there are some people here think it's great. You think it's rubbish. Let them have their dream. Please hit the like button. Everyone with a terrible temper, get in the chopper. There we go. Remember, when you pumped Fielder, now it's delisted. What the hell's Fielder? Do you mean Fisker? Now you pumped Fisker? Oh my God. Have we got a troll? It's been a while. It's been a while. Roll them up. Stack them up and knock them down. Have we got a troll in the house? I love it. So you mean Fisker? I'll just assume you meant Fisker because you spelt it completely differently. I'm assuming Fisker. So what exactly is pumping then? Do you mean pumping the stock so I can pump it up so it can go down and I can make money out of everybody? Is that what you mean? The trouble is that though, if you're gonna troll the channel and you're gonna like make me look bad, you've got to get it right. See, the trouble is with your plan is I didn't own any Fisker. I never bought any Fisker. I only own the S&P. So your plan's gone a bit rubbish, really. It doesn't really make any sense. You need to go onto your Reddit room where they do pump and dump and lie and talk nonsense, and they will love it. They'll be with you because they're all scammers and liars. Here, we only tell the truth. So sadly, your pumping dumping thing doesn't really work because I only own the S&P. What I did do was report the news and tell people this is the most prominent part of that whole story was this is the last place where you can trade and get out. And many did. Many did. Some didn't. MSK didn't. But there you go. Some did, some didn't. But I never pumped it. No one paid me from Fisker to promote it or whatever. I probably earned about $50 the entire video series. So it wasn't for financial gain, was it really? Hours and hours and hours, a few weeks of my life for $50. That probably wasn't a good idea. So if it was a pump and dump, it was rubbish. It was a really bad pump and dump. I didn't do very good out of it, I've got to be honest. Bloody hell, what an idiot. Anybody else want to come on YouTube and make themselves look stupid? I love it. Bring it on. Quite enjoy it. It's a good little sport for me. Been a while since it's been a try. I know, hasn't it? It's been at least 2 days. No, it's been a few weeks. It's been ages actually. I don't know when we last had an idiot coming in. Most people are quite normal now. Delete finger. That's the delete finger has the DTs. I don't understand that. All right, what's going on? Here we go.
The immediate reaction. I do think it's interesting today that the indexes did get back into control of some of the mega caps. So they, again, acting somewhat like defense, somewhat like the neglected group. Now, that's more like Microsoft and Amazon. It's not NVIDIA today because the overall semi group continues really to struggle here. So I don't think there's a lot that we're going to be talking about headline to headline. Macro is set. Even though it wasn't great as a benign surprise, it was enough that we think we know we get another quarter and then take it from there.
Bell's gone. We're all making money again. Another green day.
Suggesting the market
Mike apparently has lost money on the S&P. I don't know how.
December. We just don't know. All right, we'll go out mixed as you can tell here. NASDAQ in the Russell red. Dow, S&P trying to hang green as the bell rings.
Ding, ding, ding.
With Morgan.
Yeah, Mike's the only person who owns the S&P who's down today. It's been down 2 days in a row. Bloody hell, Mike. I don't understand any of this. Anyway, Loud Work's in the house. Oh, we've not had Loud Work on for a while. Have we, where is it? Loud Work. Have I got a Loud Work? I haven't, have I? I haven't got a Loud Work. Never mind. I was looking for a Loud Work recording. A little voice message, but I don't have one from Loud Work. He never called in and gave me a voice message. I thought I had one from Loud Work. Anyway, great to have you here. He's still got a 1-year badge. I love it. Down on VU. I'm down $1.03. Oh, God. I love it. I think Mike's always going to be down. I think in about 5 years, I'm going to be up like 300%, and Mike's going to go, I'm down. How are you down, Mike? You should be up 300%. I don't know. I'm still down. Oh, God. I can't take it anymore. Right. I don't even know what I'm doing. What am I doing? iCAD. Right, okay. It starts at 3:30. So we're going to iCAD now. It's iCAD. Congratulations, Mike. You're making my day. I swear to God, you're the best part of this show. I love it. Right. Right. Okay. It's got me now. Can't stop laughing. Right. Best show ever. It is. It's best show ever. You watch. We'll ask Mike, is he up tomorrow? Right. The S&P probably be up tomorrow. It's likely to be up for the rest of the week. But we'll ask Mike. Oh, here we got You never guess who's phoning in. Here he, get to the chopper. Yep, he's live on the phone. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome to the stage. MSK is in the house. How are you, mate?
Yeah, not too bad.
Great. That's it. And there we go. That was MSK. Anything else you might want to add to that, or is that it? Anything you want to say? You've muted yourself. Guest has muted themselves. There's a big flag telling me you've muted yourself. Don't talk. You've muted yourself. This is you doing this. You have muted yourself. There's a button says, guest. So what? You're not going to unmute yourself. You're going to sit there in silence and just take over the show. You've muted yourself. You watch.
Okay.
Oh,
So should I just stop
There you are. There you are.
the normal live? Oh, you know what? Yeah, that's right. That's right. Can you hear me?
yeah.
Right. First of all, I just want to say I'm sorry, Mike. Sorry, Mike.
He's got his phone upside down. We know it. It's either that or his head's screwed on wrong. One of the two.
Probably both.
It's that bloody snake. It all went wrong when he started playing with that snake.
Yep. You know what? That snake wasn't good for you, Mike. I'm sorry. That snake. I think it was a
It's
sign saying,
confusing.
you know what?
MSK,
You
why
need
did
to
you
get
wait
out
to...
of the market?
What, MSK, you're all over the place. Your sound's out of thing. You're out of thing. I don't know what's going on here with you, right? But why did you call in at the moment? I'm about to end the show because I've got to switch now to the iCAD earnings. Oh, hang on, Mike's calling in as well. Unbelievable. Mike's on the phone.
Sir.
Turn your
That's it. That's what I wanted.
turn your camera on, Mike. Oh my God, he's worse than you. He can't even turn his camera on. Mike, turn your camera on. Now he's gone offline. This is right.
No, Mike,
Listen. I ain't got time for this nonsense, right? You and Mike trying to ruin my show today. We've got to start. We've got to start iCAD in the next 5 minutes. I've got to end this.
Come
Start
on, Mike.
a new stream.
Come on, Mike. You
Right?
can do it.
I will let you call back. Let me end this, restart, and then call back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, because I've got to start the new show. Otherwise, millions of people around the world are going to be confused. Now, Mike's calling back in again. Mike, pay attention. I'm telling you. He's not listening to me. I'm going to end this call and call you straight back, all right? Don't go away. You can stay there if you want. You can stay there if you want. Right, there we go, folks. Unbelievable.
I'll just mute myself, yeah?
Yeah, you carry on talking. Yeah, you carry on talking and ruin the show. I'm going to now send you all to the oh God, why do I do this? Right, iCAD earnings. iCAD earnings starts in 3 minutes. That's great. Give myself plenty of time then. Let me give everybody the iCAD event. I've got iCAD there. It looks like I've got Mike and MSK holding on the line, which is nice. They can just stay there a minute, have to bloody wait. Let me bring this up here. This is where we're all going now, the iCAD earnings, okay? So let me do this now. iCAD live now. This was requested by MSK, not MSK. It was requested by Zach8. There is the link pinned to the top. iCAD is a B. Thank you, Zach8. I would be doing it already, but, I've had, what can I say? I've had, our usual suspects trying to take over the show and doing a good job about it as well. So let me pop this up here. I just want to say it's only because I let them do it. I could be all nasty about it and go, no, you can't call in. Or I could just turn the button off, change the password. But no, I let them do it. It's my own fault. I'm my own worst enemy. I could fix this. Hi all. There we go. There's a new show. There's that. Let me end the show. We are all set now to go to the end. So we're going to end this. I'll be literally back in seconds. Customization. Yep, that's good. Right, everybody stay where you are. We're going to end the show. We're going straight over to iCAD. Join me. It's about to begin. I'll see you back in a minute. Bye-bye for now. Chaos, innit? Why would you even watch this?